Are you ready to rethread this buckle? Yeah? Hello, my name is Abby Aspen. Welcome to my channel. This is my dog Mookie. Today we're going to be replacing the buckle on my hiking backpack. It's a bit tricky buckle because it is sewn in. It's not a floopy froo thing with the strap. It's actually sewn in, so I'm going to have to break the buckle and then put it back in. Oh, you're just sick. Oh, boo. And we're going to replace it with this really cool invention from seatosummit, which is a pin. Which is a pin buckle. So here, it's all the others you had to thread it through, whereas this you unscrew it and screw it in to your sewn in buckle, so you don't have to undo the sewing bit and re-sew it. This is what I'm hoping anyway. I'm going to smash this because I can't see any way other than doing it. I'm going to try doing it with this, which might be a stupid idea. I think I need a pair of pliers. We'll see if this works, and if not, I'll get a pair of pliers. Just trying not to. Who's that pup? Yeah, I know, exciting. Right, the help of the doggo. Next up, mine is 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch thing to put on, and so we're gonna put this through here. Just trying to work out which is up, but up. Oh, that is up, I think. Yeah, that's up. Making sure I get it in the right way the first time. That was actually super painless. That was way easier than I thought it was going to be. Not like changing anything on my bike. So, yeah, just got the other bits out, screwed these bits in. Seems to be pretty secure on both sides and fit perfectly.